Meeting you guys here. Flags. I need more damn flags.
One thing. Sorry.
There's no light bar. Hello. Hey.
It's Michael time. Gaylord.
Woo. In the wind. Oh, hi.
Hello.
There's a lot more people than I thought there would be. Right now?
Yes, I am.
Woo! Woo! You can change your pronouns to he, him, and whatever. But, like, it doesn't mean you don't have a gender. That's just expression. That should Oh, let me know. I'm not Gia. You're gonna get in it.
Love it. Absolutely. I think this parade is just really close so far.
I'm glad to, I'm enjoying being here because I get to see all the support for the LGBTQ+, and it's nice to know that there actually is other people.
And I'm excited to be here because it's really cool and fun.
The reason why I'm here is because it's Pride Month. I am here to show all my work.
And I'm here because, girl, it's Pride Month. We gotta work, strut, all the things. I'm here because I want to celebrate my quest, and this is the month I came out to my power. I came here to support the LGBTQ community because I am in the community and I love Rowe Middle School for supporting.